Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add TSA PreCheck to your Delta Airlines account. This is incredibly useful because once you've added your known traveler number, you'll be able to breeze through airport security using the expedited TSA PreCheck lanes on all your future Delta flights. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to delta.com. Once you're on the Delta homepage, look up to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Login button. Click on it to access your Delta SkyMiles account. Make sure you have your login credentials ready as you'll need them to sign in. After you've entered your information and logged in, give it a few seconds to load the page completely. Sometimes it takes a moment for everything to populate, so just be patient while the system processes your login. Once the page has fully loaded, navigate back to the upper right corner where you'll now see your profile icon. Click on this icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Profile. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage all your personal information and preferences. Now, scroll down through your profile page until you locate the section labeled TSA PreCheck. This is where Delta stores your security information. Click on the TSA PreCheck section to expand it and access the relevant settings. Continue scrolling down within this section until you find the option that says Online Application. Click on it to proceed. At this point, the system will direct you to where you can input your TSA PreCheck details. Since access to the actual enrollment site might vary, I'll walk you through what comes next. You'll be prompted to enter specific information. Type in your date of birth and gender if these fields aren't already populated from your existing profile information. This information needs to match exactly what's on your TSA PreCheck approval documentation. The most critical piece of information you'll need here is your known traveler number, or KTN. This is the unique identifier you received when you were approved for TSA PreCheck. Enter this number carefully in the designated field. Once you've filled in all the required information, scroll down to the bottom of the section and click Save Changes. This action will update your Delta profile with your TSA PreCheck information. After saving, it's important to verify that everything has been updated correctly. Review the Secure Flight section of your profile to confirm that your KTN now appears there. This ensures that your TSA PreCheck status will be applied to all your future Delta bookings automatically. And that's it. You've successfully added your TSA PreCheck information to your Delta Airlines account, and you're all set to enjoy faster security screening on your upcoming flights. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.